A. G is for giraffe, so tall and sweet. H is for hippo, stomping big feet. Oh, come along, sing with me. Animal friends from A to Z. Jump and dance, wild and free. Learning letters happily. I is for iguana, green and small. J is for jellyfish, see it crawl. K is for kangaroo, jumping so high. L is for lion, king of the sky. Oh, come along, sing with me. Animal friends from A to Z. Jump and dance, wild and free. Learning letters happily. M is for monkey, swinging so fast. N is for narwhal, unique and vast. O is for owl, who in the night. P is for penguin, waddling right. Oh, come along, sing with me. Animal friends from A to Z. Jump and dance, wild and free. Learning letters happily. Q is for quail, tiny and quick. R is for rabbit, doing a trick. S is for snake, slithering slow. T is for tiger, look at him go. U is for unicorn, magical and bright. V is for vulture, soaring in flight. W is for whale, deep in the sea. X is for x-ray fish, see through as can be. Y is for yak, fuzzy and tough. Z is for zebra with stripes so rough. Now we've reached C, our animal friends. The ABCs never end. Oh, come along, sing with me. Animal friends from A to Z. Jump and dance, wild and free. Learning letters happily. Now you know your animal ABCs. From A to Z, it's easy as can be.